Are you getting the frustrating wireless customer not available error when calling a Visible customer? This happens because Visible, as a prepaid service on Verizon's network, uses call screening to prevent fraud. Here's the quickest fix. Dial 67 before the Visible number. This blocks your caller ID and often bypasses the restriction. For example, dial shell 671234567890 instead of just 12345677890. This simple trick works in most cases. Also, the Visible user can add you to their contacts, which might help future calls go through without issues. Visible employs strict inbound call screening as a security measure to prevent fraud and manage network traffic. This explains why calls from non-Visible lines sometimes fail. For longer-term solutions, Visible users can send you a one-time invite to call link through the app. This bypasses restrictions and allows direct calling. Another option is Wi-Fi calling, which works if you're on Verizon or a compatible carrier. This routes calls through data instead of traditional voice channels. Looking ahead, Visible is working on AI-driven call management by 2026, which should make calling more seamless without these restrictions. Until then, the 67 workaround and app-based invitations remain your best options. Always check for updates to the Visible app as they may include new connectivity features.